timeout called with 20.1 seconds to go. Vinnie Johnson with 1 second to go. His shot is good with 7/10 of a second. Timeout, Portland.
Down the stretch.
15 points in the fourth quarter for Vinnie Johnson, who could not find the range at all until the final period.
Opportunity to do their best. They're taken out high. Duckworth is down along the left side of the lane right now. So Detroit must be careful. They're not playing the guy out of bounds. They're not going to allow a long pass.
7/10 of a second. There's the shot. And the game's over, and the Pistons have won the World Championship. Back to back.